Let's start closing out another week. Option X, reasonable volume, 1.1 billion on the tape. Let's talk here for a minute. Kind of a wild day. I would say a lot of red on the screen. You know, we came in this morning and PPI number came in, disappointing. That's a red flag on inflation side. That's what we've been working up to, right? Since last Friday, we've been coming up with economic numbers, economic data that have been pointing towards weakening economy, still reasonable growth, but you know, the job creation was down, inflation up, and so what we're starting to see is all of the impact that tariffs are having on the economy and on the consumer. We also know that cutting higher interest rates for longer are not good to anybody, and so this is where we're at. And look, it's okay. We're going to get through this. We're going to navigate it. There are going to be some bumps in the road, pebbles in our shoe. I did a thing with Dan Ives today, you know, and we said CapEx is still huge. The tech sector is still a big leading indicator. Earnings have been blowout. The amount of money that's being put back into the U.S. as far as rebuilding the data centers and all that, Apple 500 million, Nvidia 600 billion, this all points to a reinvestment here. It points to a way. And then you've got that thing with Nvidia and the old chip and having to pay the piper to sell that chip while we don't want Huawei to take over that bit of it. Look, there's so many moving parts. You know, by the end of the week, my brain is just spinning with stuff, trying to really put that puzzle together. But at the end of the day, we are in good territory. We're at 45,000 on the Dow. We're just about a record on the Dow. We have a S&P that's also trading at records around 6,450. You've got the Russell in really solid territory. The VIX not a factor. Gold up, crypto up, oil down. I mean, net at the end of the day, it's been an amazing week. Giddy up. Let's get busy trading these futures, man. Later.